In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen issue on your PS5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 turns on and you only see a black screen, it's usually caused by HDMI cable issues, wrong TV input, or resolution mismatch, and we're going to fix all those here in this video. Now, obviously start with the basics. Make sure the HDMI cable is firmly plugged in into both your PS5 and your TV. Go ahead and unplug the HDMI cable from both ends as well. Wait a few seconds and plug it back in securely to do this. And if possible, try using a different HDMI cable, try using a different HDMI port on your TV, and make sure that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. If that didn't fix it, we're going to power cycle it. So turn off your PS5 completely, turn off your TV, unplug both from the wall, and then wait about 60 seconds and plug them both back in and turn everything back on. This is going to refresh the connection and clear any minor glitches. But if you're still having any issues, what you're going to want to do is turn your PlayStation 5 completely off and press and hold down on the power button until you hear a second beep. It should be, about 7 seconds into holding it down. Then from here, connect your controller using a USB cable to the PlayStation 5. Hit the PlayStation button on the controller, and you're going to be launched into safe mode, where you need to select option 2, which is change video output. Choose change resolution and let the PS5 restart, and select 1080p or automatic. This is going to force the PS5 into a safe resolution for most TVs. If you finally see that home screen, your issue is going to be fixed. If not, there could be a hardware issue with either the HDMI port or the cable, so keep that in mind. But if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.